Good afternoon on a Saturday after the end of another week's trading as at Friday the 31st of October from Forex Info US. Because we had some interesting developments after the last post midday Friday before the New York session, I've decided to do an end of week wrap up and have a look at what happened with the euro for the week. So having a look on the daily chart, the last upwards movement has been fully corrected to the 0.618 Fibonacci ratio. Since then it's popped back up to the 0.382, and the last 3 days it's been trading between these two clear resistance levels, from this going back to this high here and also from these three lows in a row back here. So it's been trading in this band for the last 3 days. What's really significant for this wave count is we have 1, 2, 3 days in a row now where it's significantly below this major trend line that the euro has been following way back since March. Not since it began has it been breached 3 days in a row. It was breached once on one day previously. So this is a really significant breach now. However, I'm still going to be cautious, and I'm not going to finally call an end to wave 5 within C, still a bit of a question mark over this one, until we have a full day's trading fully below this trend line. And that may very well happen early next week. That would validate this wave count, and that would make me call a beginning of a long held downwards bearish move. Having a closer look on the hourly chart, we've got this nice clear trend channel, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We did expect that it was going to go up further to the 0.618 ratio, being a second wave probably. However, it hasn't done that, perhaps testament to the downwards pressure. So I've got a couple of alternates here. This could be A, B, C coming down for a new pattern here, or this could be A, B, going to come back up for C. If this comes down below this previous level of 1.4684 in Monday's session, if this downwards movement continues and it's not far off, then that's going to reasonably validate the count that this is A, B, C and the correction is over. That means that we're not going to see anything this high for some time. It also means that we're not going to see it going above that trend line for some time. So we're much more confident on our bearish outlook for this currency pair is at the end of the week. And the major reason for confidence, again, these 3 days in a row below this trend line, I think we really have to give quite a lot of respect for this trend line. It's held it for over 9 months. That is a very, very strong resistance line. 3 days in a row to break below it, something's definitely happening. So next week, earlier probably rather than later, we'll see our wave count either validated or still up in the air. It could still turn back up to make a new high. That is extremely unlikely. However, it is still a possibility. This wave count has not still been fully validated. So still a little bit of caution, but we're way more bearish on the euro after New York's trading session on Friday. So we hope all of your trades last week were profitable, and may you have a good weekend. That's all from Forex Info.